Over the moon. To be extremely pleased or happy. After years of trying, the couple finally had a baby, and they were over the moon with joy and happiness. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely or hardly ever. I only go skydiving once in a blue moon, but it's always an exhilarating experience. A drop in the ocean. A very small and insignificant part of a larger whole. Jane's effort to save water may seem like just a drop in the ocean, but every drop counts. Run-of-the-mill. Ordinary, average, or typical. It's used to describe something that is not exceptional or remarkable in any way. The party was just run-of-the-mill, with the usual food, drinks, and music. It wasn't anything special or memorable. The in thing, something fashionable. The new iPhone is really the in thing at the moment. Put all your eggs in one basket. Put all your money or effort into one thing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You should apply to lots of different universities. Off the top of my head. To quickly give an answer or a response without much thought or preparation. Can you tell me the capital of France? Off the top of my head, I'd say it's Paris. Actions speak louder than words. What people do is more important than what they say they will do or what they say they believe. Lots of people have great business ideas but do nothing about them. Actions speak louder than words, just do it. Back to the drawing board. Start over or go back to the beginning in order to revise or improve a plan, design, or proposal. After several failed attempts to launch the new product, the team was sent back to the drawing board to come up with a new strategy.